Most marketing problems, they're not strategy problems. They're actually clarity problems. You don't need more content, you don't need more ideas. What you need is clear words because marketing actually has one job. It is to invite a potential customer in to take the next step with your business. And there are 3 stages that every potential customer has to move through in order to do just that. The first is curiosity. This is where your potential customer is trying to figure out, is this product or service right for me? Then they move into enlightenment. This is where they want to understand how your product or service works and whether it really makes sense for them. Finally, they move into commitment. This is where your potential customer needs to feel confident enough to say yes and hand you money. Most marketing breaks because it doesn't speak to all 3 of these stages. That is where soundbites come in. I use 5 simple StoryBrand soundbites with every client, not to sound clever, but to be clear. The first soundbite names the problem so that people feel seen. The second shows empathy so they know they're not alone. Those 2 soundbites fuel curiosity. The third soundbite is a solution. It says, here's how we help. The fourth explains the change, what life will look like after buying your product or service. Those 2 soundbites create enlightenment. The 5th soundbite shows your end result, the win that your potential client will actually want. That is what leads to commitment. When you have these 5 lines, you stop guessing at what to say. Your website flows, your emails are so much easier to write, your social posts finally connect to your business, and your sales conversations are natural instead of salesy. One clear set of soundbites can remove more friction than 10 new marketing ideas. So if your marketing feels heavier than it should, don't start with tactics. Start with clarity. I've linked a free StoryBrand Soundbite Strategy below to help you write your 5 soundbites and to guide your customers from curious to confident to committed.